Hello YouTube, Mr. Miz here. I'm in East Palestine, Ohio right now. I come out here to get gas because it's cheap enough that it makes it worth my while to drive out here. And you know, if I'm gonna have to pay taxes, I'm at the point where I'd rather it go to Columbus than to the clown show that is Harrisburg. East Palestine, unfortunately, is probably best known for the recent Norfolk Southern train derailment that happened just to the east of me about, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile. But there is one good thing that came out of this, and that is that Norfolk Southern decided to finally rehabilitate this old freight station here. Let me walk past this sign and give you a nice view of it. So, I don't know if I ever did a video of this before. I may have, but I'm not sure. To be honest, the hard drive that my train stuff is on is giving me issues. At some point, if I do have a video of what this looked like before, I know I have pictures of it, I'll do either a post or I'll do the video. But this thing was pretty rough up until when they decided to rehabilitate it, and I thought I'd kind of show you around a little bit. So crossing the street, they repainted the whole thing and they redid the roof. You can see the old cargo handling doors. Yeah, in hindsight, I probably should have just waited to cross the street. But, you know, you can see they did a nice job repainting it. Got these old timbers that probably ran the whole width of the station, embedded in concrete. Now, Norfolk Southern says it's under construction, but really it looks mostly done to me. You can see that old, I don't know if that's a warehouse or what it is across the tracks there. And there's the front. Now, something that they definitely did change, that ramp was not there when they did that. There used to be just a staircase there. And they went ahead and put in a ramp to make it ADA compliant. And let's take a look. They also redid the entire platform. This again, you know, was pretty rough. They had been using this just for storage of, you know, cones, things of that nature. Let's see if we can find a window and take a peek inside. Okay, I hope that's not what I think it is. I really hope that's not what I think it is. But as we come down to the end of the platform, we can take a look inside, and you can see there's still, you know, some work to be done in there if they want to. But at least it's no longer, you know, losing water, falling, or having water come into it and falling apart. Another thing you'll notice, and wow, that was loud, is they still have the speed restrictions up. This is still over and God, it's almost 2 years later, and it's still speed restricted through here. You can get a better sort of idea of the inside of the building. But yeah, it does look very nice. Especially, you know, someone who can remember what it looked like before they decided to fix it up. It was probably borderline ready to be condemned, to be honest, which is unfortunate because, again, you know, it's a historic building. I like history. Of interest here is, I don't know what you'd call that exactly, but I assume it's, you know, something to stop trains or maybe to park cars against. And let's get a look at the whole building again from this angle. The light isn't the best, but you know, you can still see it. And as I said, there's the tracks. I mean, they're right there. It's a station, so it's to be expected, but these run right through town. You can see, you know, how close they are to the tracks. But hey, if nothing else, a historic building was preserved for posterity. And definitely come visit East Palestine if you're out in the area. Patronize the local businesses. There are good people out here. I like coming out here. And while you're here, you can see a very nicely restored freight station. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.